How to improve fill rate on a sticky ad unit. Sticky ad units stick to a section of a web page as the user scrolls the content. They're particularly useful on mobile pages as a thin bar on the bottom of the screen. They are also strong-performing revenue sources for publishers. Consider the following tips if you want to improve fill rates on sticky ads. Page load time. Check page load times and how long the ad took to render. If it's slow to load, you risk losing impressions. Geography. Look for ad networks that specialize in the regions your site operates. You may be able to increase coverage in those areas that are underrepresented. Header bidding. With header bidding set up and enough bidders, you can increase the fill rate. Flexible sizes. Allowing flexible ad sizes will maximize the chance of there being an impression to fill the ad slot. Increase the available demand sources. A range of bidders will increase competition, and if one bidder can't fill the slot, another might be able to. For more information, visit our blog post. The link is in the description.
That concludes our video for today. Want to learn how to become an AdSense expert? Introducing PubGuru University School of AdSense. With 36 on-demand videos and over 3.5 hours of content, we will help you become a Google AdSense expert. Enroll today.